Here there is 1 kg of chicken. I have washed it and now we are going to marinate it. Before marinating, we are going to make a paste of these ingredients. I have taken ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, green chilies and few dried curry leaves. So we will make a paste of it. We will add little water while grinding. Friends, I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. These I am going to add with this ginger garlic. Then we are going to grind it. So let's make a paste. I will add little water and I will grind it. Now we will marinate our chicken. First I will add salt. I have added 3 teaspoons of curd. This is the paste. I will add 3 teaspoons of this paste, ginger garlic paste. Friends, now let it marinate for 30 minutes. Friends, for the dry masala we are going to take 1 tej patta, that is bay leaf. Here there is half teaspoon of kasuri methi. This is chakri ful, we can say. These are the masala ilaichi. 7 to 8 black pepper, 7 to 8 cloves. This is shahi jeera, less than 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoon of coriander and few pieces of javitri. We are going to grind this and make it into a powder. Friends, I have made a powder of all the garam masala and I added half teaspoon of black salt. We are going to take only 1 teaspoon of garam masala for this recipe. Now I will be adding 1 teaspoon, nearly 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now we will mix it. This we are going to use while preparing the recipe. Chili and garam masala you can add according to your taste. Friends, I had marinated the chicken with the ginger garlic green chili paste. So now after 1 hour marination, I added 2 teaspoon of chana atta, that is besan, 2 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoon of maida, that is all purpose flour, and I mixed it well. Now I am going to fry it. I had added salt while marination. So let's start. Add half teaspoon of garam masala in marination. Friends, the ingredients which I used for marination, that I will mention in the description box. The oil is hot. Now we will start frying. We will turn the pieces. Friends, our chicken is fried nicely. Now I will remove it. Friends, I have fried all the chicken pieces. So let's continue our recipe. Friends, here I have taken the red capsicum. I have not taken full, I have taken half. I have cut it into small pieces. I have taken 2 small onions, 2 chilies, I have cut into small pieces. This is the garam masala. In that we will add some sauce. Friends, in this garam masala I will add little black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Garam masala is nearly 1 teaspoon. You can take according to your taste. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use 3 to 4 pods of garlic. Now we will add 3 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1. If we require, we will take again 2 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Now we will mix it. I will add 1 more teaspoon of soya sauce. That is, we are totally adding 4 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now we will add red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. I have taken 2 teaspoon of corn flour. Then I will add 3 to 4 teaspoon of water in it and I will make a slurry. Friends, our oil is hot now. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. I will add cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. The cumin seeds has turned brown. Now we will add onion. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I have added nearly 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now we will add this paste which we had made. The flame should be low. The masala should not get burned. Now we will add the red capsicum. I have taken 1/2 red bell pepper. We are not going to fry it much. Just for half a minute. We will add little salt. Now we will add the cornstarch slurry. Red chili powder and garam masala you can take according to your taste. Now we will add our chicken pieces, fried chicken, and we will mix it well. Friends, I have mixed it properly. Now we will stir fry it for a minute. Now friends, our recipe is ready. We will serve it in the bowl. Friends, I have served the chicken in the bowl. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel.